Good day, my name is Mark Lester Lucanias. I am a diligent and committed worker who always endeavors to excel at whatever I undertake. I am particularly passionate about hands-on work, particularly sheeted metal arc welding, where I have honed my technical skills and expertise from my training and exposure. I have acquired the value of accuracy, safety, and detail in welding, and I keep enhancing my skills to achieve industry standards. Apart of Apart from welding, I am also interested in sports, especially basketball. Basketball has taught me the importance of teamwork, discipline, and perseverance, values that I use in my personal and professional life. It has also enabled me to build a strong mindset which helps me remain focused and determined in pursuing my objectives. I am a quick learner, always willing to learn new skills and knowledge. I feel that learning is necessary in any profession, and I am always willing to experience new things that can improve me both as a person and as an employee. I am also a team player who loves collaborating with others, exchanging ideas, and learning from other people. In the future, I hope to continue developing my skills and make a positive contribution to any team organization that I join. I believe that my hard work, abilities, and good attitude will enable me to excel in any endeavor that I pursue. Furthermore, I would like to cultivate a robust mindset that will enable me to overcome obstacles and continue to push forward. Similar to basketball, where team effort, planning, and determination are the recipe for success, I think the same applies to life and professional development. I aspire to be someone who never gives up on striving for excellence and positively impacting people around them.